Hi, my name is Steven. Thank you for checking out our redesign and assessment of the Yale School of Art website. This user interface design project tasks us with the redesigning of an old and poorly structured uh, website and turn it into a user-friendly and visually appealing one. The previous site had information of exhibitions, admissions, and event pages, making it difficult for users to find what they were looking for. So we followed Nielsen's simple and natural dialogue principle. So that was to cut visual noise, group related topics, and use familiar languages so visitors always know what they're looking for. So in this presentation, we'll share our evaluation goals and findings, walk through the redesign interface, and outline conclusions and next steps. Now I'll hand it over to my teammate who will explain the evaluation and design in more detail.
I just want to say that website is a collaborative one. The student can change the background or edit the text at some areas. To redesign that website, we find the bento UI concept, which is a concept inspired by the bento meal, a very famous meal in Japan. Which part of that meal, of that UI concept, is divided by boxes, and we can mix the boxes. All is very separate. Here we have our final product, our final design, which is inspired about the manual sketches or the Figma sketches. The hero section is very similar, and here in the middle we have the bento section, which is totally editable by the student. The student can change the change the image, change the location of the section, can add some more text, and yeah, it's a School of Art website, and it's logic for the students who can add some image to put on the website, some image of her art to put on the website. For the companies who visit the website can see her art of that student.
Our goal from the start was to take a website with a user interface that people found confusing and reshape it into something more structured and easier to use. By using a bento box layout, we were able to bring clarity to the interface while still keeping the creative feel of the Yale School of Art. Throughout the process, we sketched, built prototypes, and tested users. We highlighted what worked well and also made it clear where people needed more guidance, especially for the customization features. Using that feedback, we refined the design so it felt easier to navigate. The layout has a huge impact on how people experience a website. A couple of changes to the structure made the content more readable, navigation easier, and the overall interface better.
In evaluating our design, we started by identifying our core users, the students and faculty at the Yale School of Art. Because this group has a wide range of technical experience, the interface had to work well for both beginners and confident users. Our evaluation goals focused on usability, efficiency, memorability, and satisfaction, as well as our experience goals such as being satisfying, enjoyable, motivating, fun, and visually appealing. We used two main techniques. First, a heuristic inspection helped us catch issues early, including inconsistent grouping and visibility problems. After refining the design, we moved on to user observation. We watched participants customize the layout and measured how easily they navigated the customizability. This showed us that certain elements needed clear indication to signal that they were adjustable. To maintain ecological validity, we allowed users to explore the prototype without instructions. This let us see how they naturally approached the system. From our analysis, most users completed the customization tasks without guidance, showing that the interface supported efficient interaction. Some first-time users struggled with specific customization controls, which highlighted a need for stronger affordances. Finally, users expressed genuine satisfaction with the interface, reflecting that experience goals were met.
So to conclude, our redesigned layout shows that we can focus on structure without taking away from any of the original creative personality, making the website far easier to navigate and understand. We were able to work out a better design thanks to iterating on sketches and user testing. Overall, we were able to create a better and more user friendly interface using the bento box layout. Thank you very much.